What's up guys, this is the best hot chocolate I ever made and today I'm going to show you how it's done. We're going to begin by breaking two 4-ounce Bittersweet chocolate bars into a medium-sized pot. Here I'm using Ghirardelli, but you can use whatever chocolate bar you enjoy. Set the heat to medium-low and slowly cook down the chocolate till all of it has melted. Make sure to continuously stir the chocolate so that the bottom doesn't burn. Once all the chocolate is melted, we're going to add 1 cup of milk and 2 cups of cream. We're going to do this in small batches so that the chocolate doesn't clump up. As you continue to add the milk and cream, make sure the pot does not come to a boil or else the chocolate will seize up, causing it to become gritty instead of nice and smooth. For the best results, keep your heat on medium-low and continue to stir as you add the last of the milk and cream. This recipe creates a very creamy hot chocolate. If you like it on the thinner side, I would add an additional cup of milk. Once the chocolate has melted into the milk and cream, we're going to turn off the heat and then add the rest of our ingredients. To the pot, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Give that one last stir to make sure all the sugar and salt is dissolved, and our hot chocolate's done. This is by far the creamiest hot chocolate I've ever had, and it has such a nice rich chocolate flavor. Then we're going to top it off with a few dollops of fresh whipped cream. I'll have a recipe for this in the description. And try not to miss like I did. But if you do, just scoop it back into the cup, no one will know. Then we're going to shave some chocolate right on top to make it look extra fancy. And that's all it takes to make a great cup of hot chocolate. Honestly, I can drink a whole gallon of this, but if you guys give this recipe a shot, let me know what you think down in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next one.